Ever wondered how blockchain works? It's a term that's been buzzing around for a while now, but understanding it can be a bit of a challenge. Fear not. Welcome to Blockchain in 7 minutes, where we'll explore the fundamental concepts of blockchain technology in a concise manner. First, let's understand what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are a revolutionary kind of money. They are digital or virtual currencies that exist in the online realm, making them intangible and independent of any physical form, unlike the coins and notes we're used to handling in our everyday lives. Cryptocurrencies harness the power of cryptography, a method of secure communication that uses complex mathematical algorithms to encrypt and decrypt data. This cryptography is what provides the security of these currencies, making them extremely difficult to counterfeit or double spend. A key feature of cryptocurrencies is their decentralized nature. This means there isn't a central authority like a government or financial institution that regulates or controls them. Instead, cryptocurrencies operate on a system of technology called blockchain, which serves as a public financial transaction database. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created back in 2009 and is often credited as the first decentralized cryptocurrency. But since then, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have been developed, each with its unique features and uses. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize our financial system. They can facilitate faster, cheaper, and more efficient transactions, provide financial services to those who don't have access to traditional banking systems, and grant users more control and transparency over their money. So, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They are a key application of blockchain technology, and they're changing the way we think about money. Now, the concept of a ledger is central to understanding blockchain. You see, in its simplest form, a ledger is a record-keeping system. It's like a book that contains a list of every transaction ever made. But in the context of blockchain, this isn't just any ordinary ledger. It's a digital ledger, and it's public, meaning anyone can view it. Let's delve a bit deeper. So the ledger in blockchain is decentralized, and this is a game changer. Unlike traditional ledgers, which are managed by a central authority such as a bank, a decentralized ledger isn't controlled by any one entity. Instead, it's spread across multiple computers, also known as nodes in a network. This decentralized nature of the ledger brings about two key properties: security and transparency. Security because there's no central point of failure that can be targeted by hackers. And transparency because the ledger is open to everyone on the network, making it nearly impossible to alter or delete past transactions. In the blockchain world, each transaction added to the ledger is bundled with other transactions into a block. These blocks are then linked together in a chain-like structure, hence the name blockchain. In summary, a ledger in blockchain is a secure and transparent record of all transactions. It's the backbone of blockchain technology, ensuring that every transaction is accounted for and can be traced back to its origin. So, what exactly is a blockchain? Well, imagine a chain of blocks, but instead of actual physical blocks, these are digital ones. Each of these blocks contains a list of transactions. These transactions could be anything from a transfer of bitcoins to recording the origin of a diamond. But here's where it gets interesting. Each block is connected to the one before and after it, creating a chain. This makes it incredibly difficult to tamper with, because if you wanted to change something in one block, you'd have to change the information in all the blocks that follow, which is nearly impossible. That's because each block has something called a hash. A hash is like a fingerprint. It's unique to each block and is created using the information inside that block. If the information changes, the hash changes too. So if someone tries to tamper with a block, the hash will change, breaking the chain. Now you might be wondering, what's stopping someone from just recalculating all the hashes to cover their tracks? That's where a process called proof of work comes in. Proof of work is a complex puzzle that a computer has to solve to add a block to the chain. It's time-consuming and requires a lot of computational power. This makes it extremely difficult for someone to alter a block and recalculate all the subsequent hashes. But there's more. Blockchain is also distributed, meaning the information isn't stored in one central location. Instead, it's stored across a network of computers, known as nodes. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain. This decentralization adds an extra layer of security because even if one node is compromised, the others still have an accurate record of all the transactions. And that's the beauty of blockchain. It's a system designed to be secure and transparent. Every transaction is recorded and visible to everyone within the network, yet it's almost impossible to tamper with. Thus, blockchain is a distributed and decentralized ledger that records transactions across many computers. To better understand the practical applications of blockchain, let's look at how Walmart uses this technology. Walmart, a global retail giant, has turned to blockchain to enhance its supply chain efficiency. Now you might be wondering, how does it do that? Well, every product Walmart sells goes through numerous stages before it ends up on the store shelves. It's a complex journey involving manufacturers, storage facilities, and distributors. With traditional methods, tracking a product's journey can be quite a challenge. But with blockchain, it's a whole different story. Blockchain allows Walmart to create a decentralized and transparent ledger of every single product. From the moment an item is manufactured to the moment it's sold, every step is recorded on the blockchain. This level of transparency not only increases efficiency but also enhances safety. So as you can see, blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It's a technology that can revolutionize various sectors from retail to finance. So there you have it. In a brief span, we've untangled the complexities of cryptocurrencies, ledgers, and the blockchain system, even highlighting a real-world application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to @Demystify Tech for more educational content.